अस्सलाम वालेकुम। पिछली बार जो साबिका दर्स हुआ था हमारा, उसमें हमने लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स कैसे हम सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड के थ्रू सॉल्व करते हैं, वो हमने उसका पहला क्वेश्चन जो है वो कंप्लीट किया था। और अब हम वहीं से स्टार्ट करेंगे। वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द पॉइंट वेयर वी हैड लेफ्ट लास्ट टाइम। सो नाउ द सेकंड क्वेश्चन of the same exercise is, we are given two equations in which the first equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. This is our first equation, and the second one is 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. This is the second equation. आप साथ साथ में अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक जो है मैथमेटिक्स की वो भी सामने रखिएगा। लेकिन इसमें हमें और एक चीज दिया गया है कि वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ m. Once we find the value of y, then automatically we can find the value of m, given that value of y and x are found. तो एक और इक्वेशन यहां पे हमें दी गई है कि y is equal to mx plus 3. तो सबसे पहले हम इस पेयर को सॉल्व करेंगे थ्रू सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड, ताकि हमें x और y का वैल्यू निकल सके। अगर हम इसमें से पहली इक्वेशन लेंगे एज वी हैव बीन डूइंग लास्ट टाइम, फ्रॉम इक्वेशन फर्स्ट वी हैव 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. So either we have to take the value of a single x or the value of a single y from this equation. Let's take the value of x. अगर हम इसमें से सिर्फ x का वैल्यू लेंगे तो y को हमें जो y के साथ कोएफिशिएंट समेत हमें दूसरी तरफ ले जाना पड़ता है, जैसे कि हमने पिछली बार सीखा था। 2x को हम ऐसे ही रखेंगे इस तरफ। 2x is equal to 11 minus 3y. This plus 3y became minus 3y when we took it to the next side, that is the right hand side of our head. Now we have to find the value of x. 1x. X is equal to 11 minus 3y divided by 2. So this shall be the value of x, which we need to substitute in the equation second. तो यहां से हम जब आगे जाते हैं तो जहां जहां पे भी हमें दूसरी इक्वेशन में x आएगा, x के बदले हम ये पूरा वैल्यू लिखते हैं। Substitute value of x in equation second. इक्वेशन सेकंड जो हमारी है दैट इज 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. 2 into x. Now we have to multiply the whole value of x by 2, क्योंकि हमें x का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है। तो यहाँ पे हमें पहले ही 2x आता है, लिहाजा मैं लिखूंगा 2 into x के बदले ये सब कुछ 11 minus 3y divided by 2, इसके बाद है minus 4y is equal to minus 24. तो यहाँ पे क्योंकि 2 हमें मल्टीपल भी करना है और 2 से डिवाइड भी करना है 11 minus 3y को, लिहाजा ये 2 और ये 2 कैंसिल भी कर सकते हैं। तो हमें क्या वैल्यू मिलता है यहाँ पे 11 माइनस 3y माइनस 4y इज इक्वल टू माइनस 24। आगे बढ़ते हैं। माइनस 3y माइनस 4y इक्वल माइनस 7y is equal to minus 24. This 11 on our left side was a positive number. जब हम उसको दूसरी ओर ले जाते हैं it will become a negative number, minus 11. Minus 24 minus 11. Now the value of minus 7y will equal to minus 24 minus 11 sums up to minus 35. Since the minus is on both sides of the equation, so we can cancel it. माइनस तो माइनस के साथ कैंसिल गैस, जब माइनस और माइनस को हम खत्म करते हैं तो 7y का वैल्यू हमें 35 आएगा. We will get 7y equal to 35. इस साइड से मैं ये आगे ले जा रहा हूं इक्वेशन को. सेवन वाई is equal to 35 and the value of y is equal to 35 divided by 7, that is 5. Now we got the value of y, means y is 5. We can substitute the value of y in either of the three equations, in any of the three equations, 1, 2 or 3, but the most convenient one will be to substitute the value of y in equation third, where we had already got the value of x, and that was 11 minus 3y divided by 2. Substitute value of y in equation third. इक्वेशन थर्ड क्या थी हमारे लिए कि एक x का वैल्यू है x is equal to 11 minus 3y divided by 2. बस कुछ नहीं करना है. जहां पे हमें y आता है इक्वेशन में, वहां पे हम y के बदले 5 लिखेंगे. We will substitute the value of y in the given equation. X is equal to 11 minus 3 into 5. 3 into y means 3 into 5 divided by 2. So what we get, x is equal to 11 minus 3, 5s are 15 divided by 2, that is equal to 11 minus 15 minus 4 divided by 2, that is minus 2. Now we got the value of two variables of the pair of linear equations, that is minus 2 and 5 for x and y. But what we have to ultimately find is the value of m in the equation where y is equal to mx plus 3. So we will remember these two values, that is 5 and minus 2 for y and x respectively. So what we are going to get is that we have been given y is equal to mx plus 3. So I can write, instead of y, 5 is equal to m into x के बदले minus 2 plus 3. Now 5 is equal to minus 2 into m, minus 2m plus 3. Or we can write this equation in this way too. 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 2m. 5 में से 3 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो 2 आ जाएगा. 2 is equal to minus 2m, or we can write m is equal to this 2 divided by 2, but minus sign will follow because one side of the equation is minus. So m is equal to 2 divided by 2 is 1 along with the minus sign. So we got the value of m as 1. So x is equal to minus 2, y equal to 5, and finally we got the value of m equal to minus 1. Hope you got it. Now we will be carrying the solutions for the equations which we have to formulate. That is the third question of this exercise, where we have to form the equations first and then find their solutions by the same through the same method, that is the substitution technique, substitution method. So the first part of question number 3 is, I will read here from the book. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other number. Find them. We have been given some clues about the two numbers, and we are told that one of the number is 26 more than this other number. So what does it mean? Say we take, let larger number be equal to x or bx and the smaller number by. So we are given two conditions here. The first condition is that the difference between the two numbers is 26, means if we subtract the smaller number from the larger number, we will get 26. So if we convert that given information in an equation, so what we get is that x minus y is equal to 26. तो ये हमारी पहली इक्वेशन बनती है कि अगर हम बड़ा जो नंबर है हमारा, उसमें से छोटे नंबर को घटाएंगे, if we subtract it from the larger number, we get 26, means the difference of the two numbers is 26. But we are at the same time we are given the second clue also, second equation, that will be our second equation, that is the larger number is 3 times more than that of the smaller number, means x is equal to 3 times y. This is our equation second. So we are given the value of x already in the equation second, that is 3 times y. Now we can substitute this value in the equation first. So before proceeding, we will write substitute value of x from equation second in equation first. In equation second, we are given the value of a single y, that is equal to 3y, single x, that is equal to 3y. Now we will substitute the same in the equation first. So what was our equation first? What is our equation first? That is x minus y is equal to 26. Now instead of x, we can write 3y. What will it become? 3y minus y is equal to 26. Now 3y minus y equals 2y is equal to 26. We have to find the value of a single y, that will be y is equal to 26 divided by 2, that is 13. So we got the value of one number, that is 13, the smaller number which we had. Supposed the y be the smaller number, we got it as 13, and ultimately we will get the value of the larger number. अब इसी से हमें x का वैल्यू भी पता चलेगा. So x is equal to 3y. Now we will substitute this value in equation second. The value of y which we got from by substituting the value of x from equation second in equation first, we got the value as 13. अब हम इसी को सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे हैं इक्वेशन सेकंड में. x is equal to 3 into y means x is equal to 3 into 13. So x is equal to 39. 3 13s are 39. So we got the value of both the variables. One was the larger number and one was a smaller number. So the larger number is equal to x is equal to 39, and smaller number is equal to y is equal to 13. So we got the two numbers respectively as 13 and 39 as smaller and the larger numbers. Hope you got it, and we will move to our next part of the question. That too is in the theoretical form, and we have to formulate two equations from the given information. तो हमारा जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees, find them. हमें जब हम एंगल्स की बात करते हैं, सप्लीमेंट्री एंड कंप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स हमने ऑलरेडी पढ़े हैं लोअर क्लासेस में. सम ऑफ सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. अगर हम एक लाइन लें और इस पे अगर हम कोई भी एंगल लें, तो वी नो दैट दिस वेरी एंगल, द होल एंगल एक्चुअली sums up to 180. Now we can divide it in two parts. Say if the first one is 120, the second is going to be 60 automatically, क्योंकि हम जानते हैं कि 180 ही इनका सम होगा सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स का. तो अगर 120 एक एंगल है तो दूसरा कितना होगा? 60 डिग्री, 60 degrees. Now we are given the information about two angles. This two angles, they are supplementary, means the first clue about them is that their sum is 180. तो अगर हम सपोज करें, let larger angle या बिगर एंगल भी हम उसको कह सकते हैं, is equal to या b x degrees, okay, and smaller angle be y degrees. So the first clue about the nature of angles is given in the question, that is their sum must be equal to 180 as per the given information. जो हमें इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई है क्वेश्चन में, that is first one is x plus y must be equal to 180 degree as they are supplementary angles. So this becomes our first equation, x plus y is equal to 180. And the second one is that the larger number exceeds the smaller number by 18 degrees, means their difference is, say we have already taken the x as a larger number, so y will be subtracted from it, x minus y is equal to 18. This becomes our second equation. Now we can choose any one of the two equations where from we can get the value of x or y, any of the two variables, then substitute the same in the another equation. So say we take from equation first, from equation second. Let us take this time from equation second. From equation second, we have x minus y equal to 18. So I will not rewrite it. So x minus y equal to 18. So the value of x will be 18 plus y. 18 plus y. This becomes our third equation. Just we name it as our third equation. For our convenience, the value of x is 18 plus y. Now we got it from the equation second. तो अब हमें लाजमी तौर पे ये इक्वेशन फर्स्ट में सब्स्टिट्यूट करना ही पड़ेगा. तो x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 180, इसी में हमें ये वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. सब्स्टिट्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ x फ्रॉम इक्वेशन थर्ड इन इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. हमारी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन क्या थी? x plus y is equal to 180. Now instead of x I can write 18 plus y, means 18 plus y is equal to 180. 18 plus y means 18 plus 2y is equal to 180, or simply we can write 2y is equal to 180 minus 80. this is in the positive form. We can write it in the negative form on the next side of our hand. Okay, y is equal to 180 minus 18 is 162 divided by 2, this 2. Okay, y is equal to 81. So this was our smaller angle y 81. तो smaller angle जो है वो 81 degrees निकला हमारा. तो now we have to substitute this value of y in our equation third to get the value of the larger angle, that is the x. Substitute value of y equal to 81 in equation third. We get equation third क्या थी हमारे लिए? x is equal to y plus 18. ये हमारी इक्वेशन थर्ड थी. So now x is equal to y के बदले हम 81 लिखेंगे plus 18. That is y is equal to 81 plus 18, that is 99. Sorry, x is equal to 99. So we got the value of both the angles. So larger angle is equal to x, got its value as 99 degrees. Okay, and smaller angle is equal to y equal to 81 degree. So their sum you can see is 180 and their difference is 18 degrees. So these are the two supplementary angles which we had to find. Okay, let's move to the next part.